today I'm going to be changing the oil on my 94 Jeep Cherokee, and right now I'm just letting it warm up a little bit, and the sticker on it says it should be changed at 223,000 and it's 227,000. I checked the oil's a little brown. I could go a little longer if I needed to. I mean, it's not like I'm going to be putting tons of miles for what I'm using it for now, but if I needed to, I'm going to put it a little longer. But I'm just going to change it out right now, because you should change oil more often on vehicles with higher mileage. But I'm going to, once it's warmed up, I'm going to change it out, and then that'll be today's video. So I think it's warmed up by now. Let me shut it off. Get on here. Oh. So I move this cardboard back a little bit. I tried jacking it up, but it didn't really work. I jacked it up, I'm gonna put the jack stands. We'll get her. We'll get her. Oh, there we go. There's all the oil coming out. Won't take too long to drain. It's a 4 liter. Oh, I got oil over my head. Let me see if I jack it up. Oh, great, my gloves are ripped. I'm gonna jack it up using the jack. No, I got oil over my boots. See if I can get all the oil out. Kitty scared me. Go grab the kitty. Here's the kitty. Don't go upstairs. Go over there. Good. Well, I'll get back when this is finished draining. Alright, so most of it is drained out. It's just dripping at this point. I'm going to drop it. This out over here. And get another pair of gloves, or a glove. Got a glove-ish. Oh yeah, I also forgot about the oil filter. Gotta take the oil filter off as well. Ugh. That was absolutely ridiculous. One, the positioning of it, of the oil filter, was so stupid. You had to get it from up top. And two, the dude who had it before me torqued it on so tight that it took me 15-20 minutes to get it off. It was ridiculous. Oh. When it's done draining, so I can pick it up, I'll show you. I used one of these, and I just messed it all up. Well, I mean, it doesn't really matter because it's the old one, but there's dents in it and stuff. And when I first got this, my older brother and I, we both looked at it and we wondered how somebody got oil all over this, and now I know how. Alright. So, just usually, let me see, I'm going to prime the oil filter. What you do to prime it, you just get a little bit of oil, pour it on the inside of it, and rub it all around, rub it around the gasket. And just take it and rub around the edge, and then the oil that's inside it, just not drop it, but roll it around inside it, just so it covers everything inside it. Just roll it around. I'm gonna get a rag because I dirtied it all up. Just to get the whole thing inside coated with oil before you get it on. Alright. So I'm gonna get this on, and then I don't really know how I'll be able to show you getting it on, but I'll get, when I'm putting the oil in, I'll show you after I have it on, but when I get the oil in, I'll show you that. Alright, so I got the oil filter in here, I'll show it to you. The blue thing right there. And then I'm going to fill it up now. Please fit. And it doesn't fit. Great, so I'm going to have to like hold it. Okay, well, that's not going to go well. I'll have the dipstick over here. Alright, so I'll start some oil in. Put like that much in. I'll let it settle for a bit. I'll give it a few seconds to settle. Also, in the meantime, put the dipstick in. There we go. Says it needs a little more, but it probably needs to settle. I mean, it's a 4 liter, but it has what's called, I don't know, let me see how much is in this bottle. 4.73 liters, so I put about a little more than 3/4 in. I don't know if you can see the line right there. I have about, put it on a level surface, just under a liter. So that's 1, 2. So I put 4 liters in, so I don't want to put too much, blow up the engine, but let me check again. No, I think it's at the add. Yeah, it's at the add line, so I'm gonna put a little, I'll just put the rest in. I'll put about half and then I'll check. Put that in. And I don't know if you, I'll see if you can hear it. You'll hear it going through. I don't know if you can hear that on camera. But when that stops, when that noise stops, then I'll test it again. The washer fluid sensor is shot because it constantly says, "Oh, you need washer fluid, you need washer fluid," but it's 2/3 of the way full. So, all right, the noise is gone. So I'm gonna test it one more time. Just above the line that says safe. So yeah, I'm gonna put the rest of it in because it was just above the line. There's like the add line and then there's the line that says safe on it. It was just above the line that says safe. So I'll get the rest of it in. And I'll put the dipstick back in and I'll leave it to settle for a while. Rag. Put the cap back on and make a look for marker. So what? We'll pour it into here. Now I got that in there. That thing that I thought was water in there might have been gas. It smells, might need to be gasket. Smells a little like gas. The oil. So now I just close it up, alright, wash it off, and that's how we store our old oil. And you could take it to an AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts and they'll take it from you. Take your old oil from you, and so I'll check it one more time. The oil level, and I guess that'll be it on the video there. Check it. Yep, it's on the safe. So. Alright, so that's my oil change on my '94 Jeep Cherokee. See you next time.